Welcome to Vietnam, a hot destination for sourcing. Visit Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam on April the 24th to 26th at the SECC, Ho Chi Minh City. The show opens its doors to showcase the latest and hottest home gift and fashion products. It features top high-demand products to meet the increasing sourcing needs of the worldwide buyer community. Elevate your sourcing experience. Meet 500 qualified exhibitors. Explore export-ready products. Visit 1,000 factories.
I came here with an open mind. I'm looking for suppliers in Vietnam, and I thought it was definitely the best place to come to have a look.
Other than running around the country, I can see them all in one place, and it's very convenient.
We're back with new highlight programs and unique activities to stay up to date with the latest sourcing trends. Register now to visit Vietnam's must-attend Expo dedicated to international sourcing.